ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद मधु ब्राह्मण आख्यायिका. This Madhu Vidya was given by Gadyang Atharvana Rishi to Ashwini Kumara. We have already seen the mantra number 16. In that Tadvan Nara Sanaye. Nara. Nara is Narakara. Ashwini Kumar. Sanaye Damsa Ugram Avishkranomi. So one Rishi is saying that I will reveal your Ugra Karma. See Tika, page number 652. Akhyayikayaha stutyarthatvam pratipadya वृत्तम अनुद्य आकांक्षा पूर्वकम ताम अवतार्य व्याकरोति. आख्यायिकायाः स्तुत्यर्थत्वं प्रतिपाद्य. आख्यायिका is for Brahma Vidya Stuti. For most part, Akhyayika is always for Brahma Vidya Stuti. How great is Brahma Vidya, and therefore one should seek it exclusively. Pratipadya वृत्तम अनुद्य आकांक्षा पूर्वकम ताम अवतार्य व्याकरोति. वृत्तम अनुद्य. How many lep pratyayas are there in this? No, in complete sentence. Two. प्रतिपाद्य अनुद्य अवतार्य. All are lep pratyayas. ताम अवतार्य व्याकरोति. Vrittam Anudya means whatever has already happened, he always summarizes or gives in brief. पूर्वम यत् कथितम तस्य पुनः कथनम किंतु संक्षेप रूपेण. तत्रेयं स्तुत्यर्था आख्यायिका इति अवोचाम. This आख्यायिका is for स्तुति, that we said. का पुनः सा आख्यायिका इति उच्यते. What is that आख्यायिका? He is going to explain. Before we proceed further, in second number tippani, तद्वाम इत्यादि मंत्र वर्ण योजना इत्थम. So how to do mantra varna yojana? हे नराकारौ अश्विनौ भवद्भ्याम लुब्ध प्राकृत जनवत् सनये लाभाय यद दंसः कर्म उग्रम क्रूरम कृतम रहसि. रहसि means but don't take that far meaning. Rahasi means in secret, where now nobody else knew. What is that Gita shloka? Rahasi sthita. योगी युंजित सततम rahasi. That rahasi means nobody else should know that you are studying, you are meditating, like that. That much in solitude you should study or do dhyanam. Here, the ugra karma that you had done, rahasi. Vam yuvayoho tad damsaha karma avishkrunomi. Vam means yuvayoho. Yuvayoho tad damsaha karma aham avishkrunomi, prakatam karomi. So who is saying this? Rishi. First, one number tippani also you see. Rishi hi mantras tad drashtava. That much part you see. Rishi hi it is said. Okay, further. Prakatam karomi. Kaha kamiva tanyatuhu parjanyo vrishtim na vrishtimiva yat. So he has given the meaning. Kaha means calm. Iva tanyatuhu parjanya. Garjitaha parjanya. Tanyatuhu means the thundering clouds. What do they say? Vrishtim na means iva. So vrishtim iva. Here na means not nishedhartha. Na means upama arthe. Iva, like. Vrishtim iva prakatam karomi. Yat kakshetvena vakshamanam atmajnanakyam madhu dadyang nama atharvano vam yuvabhyam ashwasya shirshna shirasa prayadim uvacha. Prayad im iti chedah. Prayad im. So we saw this yesterday. I'm just bringing your attention to it. That's all. Yat provacha tad api avishkrunomi iti sambandha. Ha im anarthakau nipatau. Ha and im are anarthaka nipata. What yat provacha tad api avishkrunomi. What dialogue happened between them? What Ashwini Kumara told Dadyang Rishi? What Dadyang Rishi told Ashwini Kumara? Everything I shall tell you now in this mantra. Uchyate. Tika. Brahma Vidya Saptamyartha. Brahma Vidya. So Tatra Iyam is given. Tatra means in this Brahma Vidya. Padartham Uktva Vakyartham Aha. Okay, now what is the Vakyartham? Idam iti anantar nirdishtam vyapadishati buddhau sannihitatvat. Idam iti anantar nirdishtam. What is said later is referred as idam. Say why idam? Idam means aparoksha. So it is buddhi sannihita. Therefore it is aparoksha. Dadyang ityadi. Before that bhashya. Vai shabdaha smaranarthaha. Idam vai. Vai is for reminding. Smaranam. Smaranam means to remember. Smaranam means to make someone. Means to remind, what we call in English as reminder. This will come in Naishkarmya Siddhi class today. Smarana of Mahavakya. Smaranam of Mahavakya. Dvitiya Adhyaya. Tad iti आख्यायिका निर्वृत्तम प्रकरणांतर अविहितम परोक्षम वै शब्देन स्मारयन् इह व्यपदिशति. तद इति आख्यायिका निर्वृत्तम. what is siddham through Akhyayika, Prakranantar Abhihitam, what was said in the other Prakrana. Which was the other Prakrana where it was discussed? Pravargya Prakranantare, 1 number Tippani. Prakranantar Abhihitam, Paroksham Vaishabdena Smarayan Iha Vepadisha. What was said there, he is reminding here. So then, see in Tika. Purva Paksha is not raised here. Yat tat in Bhashya, yat tat pravargya prakrane suchitam na avishkritam. Because somebody will say, if it was already said in pravargya prakrana, why again you have to say this? This is punarukti dosha. He said, no, in pravargya prakrana suchitam na avishkritam. Vistar was not done, or it was indicated. Now that Brahma Vidya Prakrana is there, it was Karma Prakrana at that time, Karma Upasana. So only Upasana part was highlighted. Now the Vidya part, Vidya Stuti is highlighted. Na Avishkritam Madhu, Tadidam Madhu Iha Anantaram Nirdishtam Iyam Prithivi Ityadina. Iyam Prithivi hi Sarvesham Bhutanam Madhu Yasya Prithivyai Sarvani Bhutani Madhu. Then Yashayam Tejomaya Amrutamaya Purushaha. And then Sharira.
Atman sharirastejomyo amritamaya purusho ayameva sayo ayamatma.
So what was indicated there means mentioned after that. Idam madhu iha anantaram nirdishtam iyam prithvi ityadina. So certain things we might mention, but when that prakarana comes, you get the clarity. Then when it is again reminded, then I say, oh, now it makes sense. Sometimes otherwise things won't become clear. Like, let's say 2 people are going to Kedarnath. Okay, and this person one has already visited and said, this will come, then this will happen, you have to be careful here, this, that, 2, 3 things they will say. But this person doesn't get the complete idea. When you are there, then you say, now you say, remember I told you? So you say, yes, now I understand the depth of what you had mentioned earlier. So here also it is like that. टीका दद्यंग इत्यादि व्याकुर्वन् आकांक्षा पूर्वकम प्रवर्ग्य प्रकरणस्थाम आख्यायिकाम अनुकीर्तयति. दद्यंग इत्यादि व्याकुर्वन्, this is mentioned in the mantra. आकांक्षा पूर्वकम प्रवर्ग्य प्रकरणस्थाम आख्यायिकाम. Akhyayika which was already mentioned in the pravargya prakarana. कथम तत्र प्रकरणांतरे सूचितम दद्यंग हवा आभ्याम आथर्वणो मधु नाम ब्राह्मणम उवाच. कथम तत्र प्रकरणांतरे सूचितम, देर वेर इन दी अदर प्रकरण इट वाज मेंशन्ड. दद्यंग हवा आभ्याम आथर्वणो मधु नाम ब्राह्मणम उवाच. तो दिस मधु ब्राह्मण, दद्यंग ऋषि taught Atharvana. Because here what was taught? That entire Adhidaivika, Adhibhautika, Adhyatmika Prapancha, from Vyashti level or Samashti level, whichever way you see, all of that is Paraspara Upakarya Upakaraka. And therefore, whenever such bhava is there, all of that is Mithya. Therefore, it has a different Adhishthanam. That Adhishthanam is Satya. This is Brahma Vidya. and so many paryayas were taken, all Panch Mahabhuta, Surya, Chandra, ityadi, ityadi. The essential part of the teaching is this. So this teaching was imparted to Atharvana. This Dadyang Atharvana imparted to Ashwini Kumar. Means he also taught Madhu Brahmana only. That is what is given here. Abhyam Atharvano Madhu Nama Brahmanam Uvacha. He gave Madhu Brahmana to them. Kena karanena uvacha iti apekshayam aha. Now what happened, what transpired because of which he gave this knowledge? Tad enayoho priyam dhama. Tad eva enayoho etena upagacchati. Tad enayoho priyam dhama enayoho ashvinoho tan madhu Prityaspadam asit. Between asit, nothing should be there. If something is there, then you remove. They are connected. Basically, the 7 number, as if there is a difference, but there is no bheda. Asit. Tadvashat tabhyam prarthito brahmanas taduvacha ityartha. This Ashwini Kumara Pritya aspadam asit. So this they loved this Madhu Vidya. Pritya aspadam. Priti aspadam. Not Pritya. Pritya aspadam means Priti aspadam asit. And therefore this Brahmana taught. Yad ashvibhyam madhu prarthitam tad etena vakshamanena prakarena prayachan एव एनयोर अश्विनोः आचार्यत्वेन ब्राह्मणः समीप गमनं कृतवान् इत्याह. यद अश्विभ्याम मधु प्रार्थितम. By this Ashwini Kumara, what Madhu was sought. Madhu means Madhu Vidya, Brahma Vidya. Tad etena vakshamanena prakarena pracha. How did he give? You say we will tell you. Vakshamanena prakarena prayachan eva enayor ashvinoho acharyatvena. Ashwini Kumara approached this Brahmana, Dadyang Rishi, as Acharya. Samipa Gamanam means they did Upasatti, Kritavan, Ityaha. Tadeva enayoho etena upagacchati. Upagacchati means Upagamanam means upasadanam. Sad dhatu's one meaning is gam, gati. So that is upagacchati. Acharyatva anantaram brahmanasya vachanam darshayati. So they did the acharyatvam means they said shishyattvena you do our svikara. We will be your shishya. So then, and you become Acharya, so he became Acharya. Then he told them, what did he say? Sahovacha, Indrenama Uktaha, Asmi etacha anyasma anubruyaha, tata eva te shirash chindyam iti. If you impart this Brahma Vidya to anyone, Indra had told Dadyang Atharvana Rishi, if you impart this, then idam ched anyasma. Anyasma means anyasmai chaturthi. Anubruya tataeva te shiras chindyam. I shall cut your head. Iti. एतत् शब्दो मधु अनुभव विषयः. एतद् विद्या मीन्स दिस. मधु अनुभव विषय विद्या. But I have to see what is that ukto asmi. इंद्रेण वा उक्तो अस्मि अहम. अहम उक्तो अस्मि. ठीक भाष्य. तस्माद् वै बिभेमि यद्वै मे स शिरो न छिन्द्यात् तद्वाम उपनेष्य इति. तस्माद् वै बिभेमि, therefore I am afraid. यद्वै मे स शिरो न छिन्द्यात्. So this yadvai in tika it is given yadi artho yad shabda. This yad means yadi. Yadi vai me sa shiro na chindyat tadvam upaneshya. So you do upasatti in this way so that he does not do my shiracheda. So yat, then further in tika tat shabdas tarhi ityartha. Tadvam is given. Tad you should take as tarhi. Yad as yadi. Vam upaneshya. Vam means yuvam. Upaneshya means upaneshye. Shishyattvena swikarishyami iti. Then I will do your shishyattvena svikara. What was that ceremony that was done? Shishyattvena svikara. In Kanchi Kamakoti, that Shishya Svikara only, right? Same. Shishyattvena Svikara. When they appointed the next Acharya. Iti yavat. Tau Bhashya. See, there are no pratika in tika, right now. But everything he has explained of the Bhashya. Tauha uchatuhu avam tva tasmat trasyavahe iti. Trasyavahe, we shall protect you. Tauha uchatuhu. Uvacha uchatuhu ujuhu. So they, Ashwini Kumara, they said, we shall protect you from Indra. Tika. Tau deva bhishajau. Bhishajau Ashwinau. Tau Ashwinau. Deva bhishajau. Tasmat shirascheda nimittam maranam panchamyartha. From the marana which can come from shiracheda, from that we shall protect you. Katham ma trasyetha trasyethe iti. How you two will protect me? Yada nau upaneshyase. Tika. Now avam upaneshyase shishyattvena swikarishyasi yada iti yavat. If you accept us as shishya, then we will protect you. They are also putting condition. You know, they say then only danger is there. Otherwise, there is no need of protecting you. You are Brahmarshi. You don't need any other protection. For our Brahma Vidya Vyapara, if something happens to you, we will protect you. Otherwise, what is it? Now you will see so many atha shabdas are there. So all atha shabdas are explained. Athate शिरश्चित्वा अन्यत्र आहृत्य उपनिधास्यावः अथ आश्वस्य शिर आहृत्य तत्ते प्रतिधास्यावः. Those who want to do lot of vyakarana, they can do in all these padas. Trasyavahe, trasyethe, upaneshyase, upanidhasyavaha, pratidhasyavaha, etc. So what we will do, we will cut your shira. Te shiraschitva. Anyatra ahritya. We will take it elsewhere and we will put it on Ashwa, let us say. And Ashwasya shira ahritya. We will bring Ashwa shira, put it on your head. Tatte pratidhasyavaha. Tika. Atha shabdas tat tada ityartha. Tada means once you do shishyattvena svikara, then. Tena nau anuvakshasi. Sa yada nau anuvakshasi. Athate tad indraha shiraschetsyasti. Then you start teaching to us. Once you are teaching, then Indra will come, he will do your shiraschedanam. Athate tad indraha shiraschetsyati. Tika. Brahmanasya anugnya anantaryam atha iti uktam. So, atha shabda here is Brahmanasya anugnya anantaryam, after the anugnya from the Brahmana. Brahmana means Dadyanga Atharvana. So when he says yes, do shishyatva, I will teach. Then when he starts, then Indra will come. So this is another atha, second atha. Where will that go? I will tell you. Athate swam shira ahritya tatte pratidhasyava iti. Tatha iti tauha upaninye. Upaninye means they did upasatti. Upaninye. Upagamanam. Atha asya shiraschitva anyatra upanidadhatu. So this is what happened. Earlier the dialogue was there. He said, we will do this, we will do this. Indra will come, he will cut your head. Then your shira, we will put it back. Athate swam shira ahritya tatte pratidhasyava, means we will put your head back. Then these things happened. They did upasatti, he did svikara, he started the Brahma, they cut his head first, put it on horse's head. So this second last line in Bhashya, where it is said, Atha asya shiraschitva, that Atha is, in Tika explained as, Brahmanasya anugnya anantaryam Atha iti uktam. Anyatra upanidadhatuhu. They kept it elsewhere. Atha ashwasya shira ahritya tad hasya pratidadhatu. And ashwasya shira, they put it on him. Then Madhu Pravachana started. Madhu Pravachana nantaryam tritiyasya atha shabdasya artha in Tika. What is that tritiya atha shabda? See, in Bhashya. Tena ha abhyam anuvacha. Tena ha abhyam. Abhyam kabhyam? Ashvibhyam. Uvacha. Then he, Brahmana, Rishi, he taught. Sayada abhyam anuvacha atha. That atha is tritiya atha. Tritiyasya atha shabdasya artha. Madhu pravachana anantaryam. So you should mark it. If you are going to study this again, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1 in Bhashya, 1 in Tika, 2 of 2, 3, 3, like that. अथ अस्य तद इंद्रः शिरश्छेदः शिरश्चिच्छेद. Then he came, Indra came and cut. Chichcheda. Chichcheda. Chichcheda, what lakar is it? Online students, what is the lakar? Lit lakar only. Whenever it is something that happened that nobody saw, is all paroksha bhuta. In Bhagavad Purana, most of the lakaras will be lit lakara. That's why Vyakarana is difficult in Purana. In Prakarana Grantha, Vyakarana is so easy. You can just put lat lakara and whole thing can happen. But in Purana and all, it is not that easy. It is all Raja Babhuva. It was there. Everything is once upon a time. So, in Bhashya, Shirachcheda, Shirashchichcheda. Tika. यद अश्वस्य शिरो ब्राह्मणे निबद्धम तस्य छेदनानंतर्यम चतुर्थस्य अथ शब्दस्य अर्थ. चतुर्थ अथ शब्द is after the shirachchedanam happened, tad anantara. What? Atha, this is the fourth atha. Athasya swam shira ahritya tad hasya pratidadatuhu iti. Atha asya swam shiram, his own head, Brahmanas, they brought it back and kept it. And thereafter Indra didn't do anything. Pratidadatuhu iti. So 4 atha shabdas were explained. Then in this way, anantarya artha. टीका. तर्हि समस्तम अपि मधु प्रवर्ग्य प्रकरणे प्रदर्शितम एव इति कृतम अनेन ब्राह्मणेन इति आशंक्या. पूर्व पक्षी says then entire madhu vidya in pravargya prakarana everything is pradarshitam, this akhyayika. Kritam anena brahmanena. Kritam means Kritam means vyartham. Kritam means vyartham. Vyartham anena brahmanena. This brahmana is of no use then. Earlier itself everything is explained. Yavattu pravargya karmanga bhutam madhu tavadeva tatra abhitam natu kakshyam atma jnanakhyam. In the Pravargya Brahmana, what was Karmanga Bhuta Madhu, only that much was taught. Not the Atma Jnana part. Atma Jnanakhyam Kakshyam. Kakshyam means the secret, Gopyam. That was not revealed there. Tika. Pravargya Prakarane Sthita Akhyayika Kimartham Atra Anita Iti Ashankya. Then somebody will say, what was taught in Pravargya Prakarana, that Akhyayika, why did you bring it here? Katham Anita iti ashankya etasya Brahma Vidyayaha stutyartha iyam Akhyayika iti atra uktam upasamharati. Is Brahma Vidya, for stuti of Brahma Vidya, this Akhyayika is brought. Ashya. Tatra ya Akhyayika abhihita seha stutyartha pradarshita. This Akhyayika, what is taught here, is for stuti of Brahma Vidya. Brahmana Bhaga Vyakhyam Nigamayati. Now he is completing the Brahmana Bhaga Vyakhya. इदं वै तन्मधु दद्यं आथर्वणो अनेन प्रपंचेन अश्विभ्याम उवाच. So I told you idam vai tan madhu dadyang atharvano ashvibhyam uvacha. What is this portion? This is Brahmana bhag. After that is mantra bhag. Etad etad rishihi is the mantra portion. टीका तद्वाम इत्यादि मंत्रम उत्थाप्य व्याचष्टे. Now mantra part is given and व्याख्या is done. तद्वाम इत्यादि मंत्र. तदेतद ऋषिस् तदेतद कर्म ऋषि ही मंत्र है तद्रष्टावा. ऋषि मीन्स मंत्र और मंत्र दृष्टा. वह पश्यन उपलभमानो अवोचत उक्तवान. मंत्र दृष्टा ही अटेंड दिस. उवाच अवोचत ही सेड दिस उक्तवान. व्हाट कथम. टीका कथम लाभाय अपि क्रूर कर्म अनुष्ठानम. क्रूर कर्मानुष्ठानम अतः for the sake of some gain, here the gain is Brahma Vidya gain, not anything else. For any laukika thing, if somebody had done such krura karma, it would be ninditam. भाष्य तद दंस इति व्यवहितेन संबंधः. तद दंस. So tad etad rishi, that tad damsa. In this way you have to do sambandha. Damsa iti karmano namadheyam. Damsa is the name of the karma. Taccha damsaha kim vishishtam ugram karm kruram. Ugram means kruram. It is ugra karma. Further in Bhashya, Vam Yuvayoho, He Nara, Narakara, Narakarau, Ashvinau, Naraha, Narakarau, Ashvinau. Naraha, Pratipadika. If you do Sambodhan Vibhakti, how will it go? Like Rama. Hey Rama. And then Hey Rama. Right? Visarga should have been there in Sambodha. How the three rupas will be? Hey Rama, Hey Ramau, Hey Rama. In Rama, Visarga will be not there. Why? Online students. The simplest question has come now suddenly.
Ekavachanatvat.
No, this hetu is, you have to give sutra. Sutra students. Online students, what happened? What is it? Huh? What they got? Enga raswat sambuddhe. एंग ह्रस्वात् संबुद्धे. So विसर्ग लोप will happen. Is sakara lopa will happen. But here, two Ashwini Kumar are there, and Nara is the Sambodhana. So, we should understand the Naraha, even though Bahuvachanam, and then you should take Supam Suluk Purva Savarna A Che Ya Da Dya Ya Jala. That sutra. So, where the Sup Pratyas Lopa has taken place. Supam Suluk Purva Savarna A Che Ya Da Dya Ya Jala. So by that, Sup Lopa will happen. Number 7139. So, He Naraha, in He Nara, Narakara Ashwinau. Taccha karma kin nimittam sanaye labhaya. This karma is for some labha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Pranam Swamiji.